Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I will show you how to find videos you have already watched on TikTok. Whether you want to rewatch a funny clip or find something you accidentally scrolled past, I have got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are on TikTok, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And now simply tap on settings and privacy. Okay, so once you are in the settings menu, you will see option of activity center right here. Simply tap on it. And in the activity center, you will see option of watch history. Simply tap on it. Okay, so now here you can see the list of all of the videos you have watched on TikTok. And that's how you can find videos you have already watched on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.